Hello dear students, welcome to the introductory video of the computer network subjects. In this video presentation, we will be going through the discussion of the introduction of the subject, module-wise subject syllabus, outcome and the application area of the computer networking. This subject is basically taught in third and fourth semester of BTech, CSE and IBM related courses. The corresponding code of the subject for the upcoming semester in the next session will be BCSC 0008. Following are the faculty who are going to teach you for the upcoming semester through this subject. Professor Divakar Bharadwaj, Mr. Saurabh Anand, and Mr. Akhilesh Kumar Singh. I, Akhilesh Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor GL University, welcome you all in the introductory slide of the computer network. The basic outline which we will going to cover in this video presentation will be the objective of the subject, the motivation behind studying this subject, that is why you need to study computer network, the outcome and the learning which you will going to achieve at the completion of this subject, the subject syllabus module wise, the text and reference books which you are going to use in this subject, and the study material, the relevant study materials from where you need to study this subject. The basic objective of this subject will help you in understanding how two computers communicate with each other along with their basic functionalities. You will be able to learn how to program and simulate different scenarios of the network via computer program and Cisco Packet Tracer. A Cisco Packet Tracer is basically a simulation tool which you are going to use in this subject for simulating the virtual environment of topologies and different scenarios of the network. Also, you will be able to figure out the future of the computer network. That is, you will be able to identify whether the existing design needs to be revised as per the latest demand of the technologies or not. So why you need to study this subject, this computer network subject? As you know, almost everywhere, in almost everything, whether it is existing or new in computer field, it is going to involve networking and networking concept. Like for example, from internet to your television to your cell phone to everywhere, there is a network. So on a broader scale, from artificial intelligence to computer vision to cloud computing to Internet of Things and to everywhere, there is computer and computer network. Hence, the knowledge of this subject is very, very important. From your point of view, almost all the computer field related jobs nowadays requires a backbone of computer network study. So, at the completion of this subject, you will be able to understand, describe, and analyze the layered protocol model along with numerous network related protocols. You will be able to describe the various protocols of data link layer, network layer, and transport layers. You will be able to program network communication environment via internet sockets for the client server and other application environments. You will be able to specify deficiency in the existing architecture and able to formulate and research the requirement for the new and better protocol. You will be able to understand the mobile, the cellular, and the wireless networks. Also, you will be able to acquire knowledge for the latest technologies like cloud and Internet of Things. So basically, you can design, analyze, and evaluate the various networks and the various services required for home, for data centers, for servers, for wired network, or for wireless network. The subsequent part of the video presentation will guide you to the subject syllabus on the module wise basis. In module 1, you are going to study the introductory concepts of various topologies, various models, various frameworks that are needed to design a computer network. You will be going to understand the concept of switching technologies. You will be going to understand the concept of transmission media through which a packet can be transferred from one communicating device to other. Also in module 1, you will going to understand the concepts of few protocols that are related with data link layers like Aloha, CSMA, and overview of various IEEE standards. In module 2, you will be going to study about data link layer and the network layer. Basically, in this module, you will going to study about how the internet works and how the computer is going to communicate from one node to other or from one device to other. The module 3 basically deals with the end-to-end delivery of the packets and the services and applications related to users for connecting and communicating with the computer networks or with the computer or devices. The text and reference books which we will going to follow throughout this subject will basically and primarily include Frozen 4th edition of Data Communication Networking. Along with you can use two references books, namely Kuros and Rose of Computer Networking 3rd edition and Tannenbaum 2nd edition of Computer Networks. The teaching methodology for this subject in the upcoming semester will be a blended mix of the teaching. That is, you will be sent a short video of topic which we will going to study in the further lecture, along with its study supplements like PowerPoint presentations and the notes, which are going to be helpful in the understanding of the next lecture. And in during the lecture, we will follow the practice of problem solving, quiz, and discussion of the doubt session. The attendance will be compulsory and it is mandatory for you to attend the session. All the presentation slides, notes, assignment, solved and unsolved question banks that are going to be used in this subject throughout the semester will be uploaded on the university portal, and also you will be getting these study materials and the supplementary materials via your official mails. Hope you will find the subject interesting. Meet you all in the lecture class. Thank you.